If you're looking for an awesome anti-scratch non-stick coating frying pan that is 12.5 inches, has an awesome handle, you're absolutely going to love this. So this is exactly what it looks like right here. So right off the bat, I love this handle. This handle is absolutely amazing. It's smooth. It actually has a little grip over here. It kind of makes it hard to see, but you could literally put your fingers on there and get a really nice grip, which I like. Like the fact that you have two of the sides here that are lips, so it makes it real easy to dump stuff out when it is done. Love the fact that it's 12.5 inches. I can't tell you how many times that we have a frying pan that is just not big enough. This is perfect for pretty much everything. You get lots of burgers in here. You could do rice in here. You could do a stir fry, just really nice. And then of course the bottom is great. So if you're looking for an amazing frying pan, definitely check this out. And thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.